Good morning, students. We were in letter writing. Let's continue with the class. Till now we have completed our letters. That was official letters and letters to the editor. Official letters and letters to the editor and business letters. One of the most important letter we have to cover up, that is application for a job, right? Application for a job. This is most important. You should know about this. How you have to write these type of letters when you are searching for a job, right? So first of all, the format is same. That is sender's address with pin code. Then leave one line, write the date. Then leave one line, give the inside address with pin code. Then leave one line, give the subject. Subject should be inside bracket. Then leave a line, write respected sir. Then leave a line, start your introductory para. Then comes main body of the letter. Then comes your concluding para. The format is almost same. Below concluding para comes yours sincerely. Below that signature. Below that full name in capital letters. Full name in capitals. Below that designation in bracket if needed, right? And below that, most important is your enclosure part. Beforehand, I have explained you about enclosure. In your enclosure, you have to give your biodata, right? Biodata, clear? So this was the format. Kindly understand the format. Application for a job. You are writing your application for a job. Most important part. This is a job purpose. For job purpose, you are writing your application. Most important. So this you should know, students. First of all, how to write the letter. That is sender's address. As I have told you, in sender's address, whose address should be there. In sender's address, students, with pin code, then give the date. Date format I have given you beforehand. Then comes inside address with pin code. Inside address, sender's address में किसका address रहता है students? In sender's address, you know very well, to the person you are sending the letter. And inside address, it's your own address, right? Or something is changed. Okay, then give your subject. Below the subject should be inside bracket, and below the subject is your respected sir or respected ma'am, right? Below that is your introductory para, your introduction para, and below that is your sender's address. It's your own address, आपका खुद का address, right? Inside address, as I have told you beforehand, to the person you are sending the letter. Clear? यहाँ पे आपका own address रहेगा, and यहाँ पे आपका to the person you are sending the letter. Clear? You are sending the letter, इसलिए आपका own address यहाँ पे रहेगा, date, format and sender inside address. Subject, respected sir or madam. Anything else? Introduction para, main body of the letter. Clear? Then comes your concluding para, conclusion आप देंगे. उसके बाद नीचे का format रहेगा, that is yours sincerely. Basically the people write your faithfully, but आप student background के हो, इसलिए आपको your sincerely mention करना है. उसके नीचे आपका सिग्नेचर मेंशन रहेगा. सिग्नेचर के नीचे आप फुल नेम इन कैपिटल लेटर्स लिखेंगे, फुल नेम इन कैपिटल्स, राइट. उसके नीचे आपका डेजिग्नेशन रहेगा. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग जॉब इन समवेयर, यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड योर डेजिग्नेशन. आप अपना पोजीशन यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे. डेजिग्नेशन इज़ नथिंग बट योर पोजीशन, जॉब पोजीशन, आप किस पोजीशन को होल्ड अप कर रहे हैं, राइट. दैट इज़ योर डेजिग्नेशन. एंड बिलो दैट इज़ योर एनक्लोजर पार्ट, जो हमने बिजनेस लेटर्स में बताया और सारे लेटर्स में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया व्हाट डू मीन बाय एनक्लोजर. ठीक है, उसी तरह जॉब पर्पस में एनक्लोजर पार्ट भी आएगा. एंड इन एनक्लोजर पार्ट यू हैव टू एनक्लोज योर बायोडाटा, विच इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द बायोडाटा. थैंक यू.